Hey guys, I'm actually so excited because I've been meaning to make a YouTube channel for the longest, and I've been wanting to make a YouTube video for the longest as well. This is my first video. Disclaimer. You know what? I've been waiting for this, honey. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the newest MacBook Pro. It came out I think a week ago, probably. I'm not really sure when it came out. I'm filming my iPhone 11 Pro, so I got this backup. You already know, cause
great.
It came out the 4th of May.
Yes.
So they added a few, like added the little magic keyboard. So I was like, Mom,
you gotta get this.
Period. Cause I was gonna order the MacBook Air, but that one came out because I was looking at some reviews and the comments said, oh my gosh,
a new one came out, girl.
Oh my god! Wow!
So I'm gonna be talking to you guys, and I'm gonna be saying everything that you need to know and all the information before you buy it. Cause girl, you have to know before you buy it.
Period.
I'm gonna put a few images on the screen so you can see how much I spent. So I did put Apple Care, and that was $379, and the 16-inch MacBook Pro was $2,399. My total was $3,000 with 24 cents. I know, girl, that's a lot, but you know what? It was really worth it because, like, I edit. Like, I do a bunch of edits. I needed the best computer, the best of the best. So I waited.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
I'm gonna be putting all the information you need to know in the description below. I'm gonna put some links where I got it from. So if you want to buy it, this is my first MacBook, so like I'm so excited. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, I'm so excited. I've been screaming.
What is this, honey? I was shocked, honey.
I know my hair's a little bit like puffy and a little afro, but it's okay. We're just gonna
ignore that.
Okay.
It came in this box. Of course, I'm not gonna show my address. I'm trying to cover. I need to cover this. Hold up. Alright, here. Oh my gosh.
I'm so nervous.
This is incredible. I'm gonna get another phone. You guys can see like my hands and me taking it out. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm still recording. Oh. Guys, I haven't opened it. Oh my god, I'm scared. He's spilling my Taco Bell drink. This is the moment. This is the moment. Let's get to it. Oh my god! I have no idea. Oh, great. So I put the phone right here. Like, it's right here, like it's hanging up. See it? It's not the best angle, but I gotta work with what I have. So I'm gonna put the second video. So this is it. Girl, all this
Good coming from here.
dreams come true, let me tell you. MacBook Pro. Can't even breathe right. Okay.
Are you dumb?
So the really heavy, which I like.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So my mom's here. Say hi, Mom. Hi.
Oh.
I don't want to look at. I don't want to look. Oh my god.
Calm down.
So there's plastic, and it comes out. $3,000. Thank you.
Very expensive.
So it came with the charger. Oh my gosh, it looks like an iPhone charger. Guys, this is the box that came in. Let's open it, guys. Oh my god,
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm shaking.
Bro, I'm having trouble opening this.
Stupid ass.
Okay, so it has a little plastic. I'm gonna be setting it up.
Ew, you can see me in the bag.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Bro, I seen this in my dreams. Like, this is... I'm gonna set this computer up, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys when it's all done.
Okay, how do I work this?
Ha ha, laugh, funny. That's funny? To me, it's funny.
It's just you can see my legs and it looks
So weird.
ew. Oh my gosh. It says choose your look, so I'm gonna choose dark, of course, because I just feel waiting. Period. Amazing. You guys have no idea. All right, sorry. I'm gonna go on Instagram and I'm gonna take some quick pictures. Because girl, I need to do this. And I'm gonna download my programs and stuff like After Effects and Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is $300.
Are you dumb?
If anyone wants to buy it, I totally recommend it. Like, I see it in YouTube and all these professional YouTubers use that. So I'm gonna buy it right now, guys. So I think that's it, because there's nothing more to show, because now I'm gonna be all night on this.
Period.
I'm super happy with how this video is gonna turn out. I'm super excited to edit it. I need a drink.
Are you dumb?
Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't judge me, you know, it's my first video, so I still gotta get used to it.
Yeah, I was really anxious to post this.
You know what? I'm gonna post it and I'm gonna do it because I'm that girl.
Not to say the B word. Period.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate if you like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you would support.
My mouth is so dry.
It really means a lot for you guys to just click on this video. Yeah, I think that's it. Kisses. Period. Alright, let me stop talking.